neighborhood, a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in this neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a neighborly day in this beautywood, a neighborly day for beauty. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I always wanted to live in this neighborhood with you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please won't you be my neighbor?
What's up, everybody? Thank you for coming back yet for another week, another episode. Now today's not going to be that long of a video. I'm going to try not to make it that long of a video, but I want to talk about balling on a budget. That's what I want to talk about a little bit. I think I haven't really hit on that lately, but first, check out your boy's hat. Check out the back. I'd like to give a big, huge shout out to my main man Gary over there at Vector Supreme Premium Pet Food. Check him out. Vector Supreme Premium Pet Food. Whoa, that's a tongue twister. He hooked your boy up with this hat. Let alone that, he hooked your boy up with a couple of stickers. Check out the workbench. That's Vector right there. Vector Premium Pet Food. Proud to be an American. Awesome. You know, thank you for the hat and the stickers. I mean, if you guys haven't noticed, your boy added a couple more. I added my main man, Line Tips. Line Tips. You know, thank you for those stickers, brother. They're coming. I know some people ask for stickers. I sent them out. If you haven't got them yet, I don't know what's going on. Let me know. Because a couple people say, I haven't got them yet. I'm like, I don't know what's happening. Anyways, we're going to discuss today balling on a budget. So I want to just talk to you guys a little bit about some of the things that I have bought, some of the places I've been, and bought some stuff for cheap, for dirt cheap. Some of you guys already know I am all about Facebook Marketplace, but I'm going to show you guys some stuff that I found through Facebook Marketplace through another company, and maybe you guys can take it and you guys can find the same spot, these same places in your area. Let's get to it. Well, first and foremost, before we start, check out your boy AEW All Elite Wrestling shirt. Woo! Them boys over there is handling their business. They coming out. Not a sponsor, but they're making a statement. That's for another day. All right, so balling on a budget. I am a firm believer in, if I have to buy new, I will buy new. Some stuff you might just have to buy new, but other things I feel that you might not have to buy new. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple of things that I have bought and where I have bought those things from, because it's very important to know. I am a believer in Facebook Marketplace first and foremost. Facebook Marketplace is, for those who don't know, is a place that you can go on an app. You can hit the little marketplace. I think it's like a little building, little storefront either at the top. I think if it's Androids or if it's Apple, it might be at the bottom, you know, in a little hamburger menu somewhere around there. And you can type in things that you need, that you want to buy. Then they'll show it, if they have it, people that might be selling it around your city within, you know, 100 miles or whatnot for you. So and you can play with that from 1 mile to 100 miles, depending on how far you're willing to drive. So some of the things that I have bought that you guys may have already know is my Toro, my 22-inch right here. I bought my Toro stripe kit off of Facebook Marketplace up in Jacksonville. My buddy Dustin, he is in the Florida Lawn Care group. What's up, D? That was a great purchase that I bought. Also, I bought a couple other things off of Facebook Marketplace. So here is my Ryobi jet fan. This is my Ryobi Jet fan. I bought this for 80 bucks, 70 bucks, 80 bucks, whatnot. Facebook Marketplace. A guy was selling it. He didn't need it no more. He went to a company to do his yard, so I surely have to scoop it up. It takes a 40-volt battery, Ryobi 40-volt battery, and some of my other tools too. My drill, my Ryobi brush trimmer. That takes the 40-volt battery, so I could just interchange it any way it goes. But this was like 80 bucks with the battery. Also, brand new. This is probably 140 bucks, maybe somewhere around there. 150 bucks maybe, I'm not sure, with the battery or whatnot. They might do some deals, bring it down to 120. Facebook Marketplace with the battery, the 3 amp battery, because you got different ones like a 2.5, 2.6 amp, 3 amp battery, all 70 bucks. A guy right around the corner from me. This purchase here, this is my recently new purchase. I bought this yesterday. This is my Earthway spreader now. Some of you guys know that I did buy the Chapin that I have back there. But this is my Earthway spreader. I bought this, once again, 80 bucks yesterday from a guy. I was just searching it online, just searching spreaders just to kind of see, you know, what's going on out there. Wanted 100 bucks, you know, so I said, hey, will you take 80 or 70? Can't remember. 70? I'm old. 70. I said, hey, will you take 70? He was like, yeah. I was like, let's go. You know, got the little cover in there too. I used this bad boy yesterday, and Alan is 100% right when you talk about these Earthways. This is a game changer. You know, totally different from the Chapin, chapstick spreader. Totally different. You know, it's smaller. I can see around it a lot better. You know, the tires and the traction keeps everything flowing clean, nice, beautiful. So, I have found on Facebook, at least here in my city, that there is liquidation companies, liquidation businesses around. And these liquidation businesses work with companies, you know, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. I guess if these big companies don't want to, if they can't sell an item, then they package it all up, they send it to the auction, and then the auction, then the people bid on these items and everything, and then they get them, they take it back to their store, their warehouse, wherever, and then they sell it for a fraction of the price. A big fraction of the price. A huge fraction of the price. A huge, gigantic fraction of the price. So, first and foremost, I want to talk about the Orbit Max water hose gun here. Some of you guys might see this tag still on it. Some of you guys might see this and everything. This at Lowe's is 15 bucks. I bought this particular one for $5 at the liquidation place here in my city. $5. Now, this one here, same one, Orbit. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a giveaway for like this one, because this one is like a nicer one. This one's nicer than, this one's nice, but just like a little dirty, you know, but this is brand spanking new. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway sometime later down the line or whatnot, you know, and probably do this a giveaway. Don't know if I want to do it at, you know, boy, I tell you, people be flying in here. There you go. Oh, my bad, people. Do like a giveaway with this one. Don't know if I want to do it at 500 subscribers, or if I want to do it, keep it and do it at like 1,000 maybe. I don't know yet, but I gotta get there. I'm only at like 353, so I got a while to get there. This is the second one. This one I'm gonna keep this one for myself. Check these out. Wah, 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 ba ba. Chameleon sprayers. You guys know Alan did a video a few weeks back about this, and he used them. I have one myself that I bought from the store. I paid, I think, like $10 for it. I bought these today. Wait a minute. Oh, that's all the paperwork still in there. Okay. Okay. See, brand new. Paperwork still in there. Not that one. I bought these Chameleon sprayers here for $1. $1. Oh, speaking of which, the Orbit, the used one, I bought that for $1 also. Say something. $1. I said, give me one, give me both. Give me one, give me both. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, this is it. Balling on a budget. You need to look into this. If you guys have any liquidation companies in your area, find it. Take a stroll out there. You know, see what you guys have. See what they have. You might find gold somewhere along that line. Like I have found gold. So far, what did I spend today on these? $1, $2, $3. $3 for the 2 Chameleons and the used Orbit hand sprayer. You can't go wrong with it, you know. Now, I'm gonna show you guys one more thing. This right here. This right here. Some of you guys might know what this is. I know Ben, for the lawn tips, he knows what it is. This is the Ames Autowinder hose sprayer. And when you pull it out, it locks. It locks to where you need it. Give it a little tug, take it back. It swivels from left to right. Right here. You mount it on the house, which I'm gonna do. You mount it on the side of the house here, and then you just drop it in, and then it swivels left to right. And then when you want to pull this out, you can go left, you can go right, and this little conveyor bar here moves left and right too. This brand spanking new on Amazon costs $123. You don't believe me? Look it up. Ames, A-M-E-S, Autowinder. Look it up. 123 bucks. I won't lie to you guys. That's one thing B. Davis won't do, is that lie to you guys. I bought this, and I have all the tools to it and everything to put on the side of the house. I bought this for, you don't want to guess? No? I bought this for $15. $15. Kid you not. Look at it right now. Amazon, Ames, Autowinder, A-M-E-S, Autowinder. I'll pause. I'll wait for y'all to come back. You back? Good. 123 bucks. $15, brand new. What more do you want? What more do you want? Take a pause for the calls. I'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. And we're back, baby, just like that. Quick, fast, and in a hurry. All right, so what I have went on ahead and done is made my marks. So you have this bracket piece here. I put it up exactly like where I wanted to do it. Oh, excuse me. I put it up exactly, let's try that again, exactly where I wanted it to be. You gotta make sure that it's leveled. So I got my leveler, I make sure that it's leveled, and in a sense of creativity, I use my daughter's washable crayons to kind of make my mark. 3/8. Let's try this again. We're gonna get some rain. It's coming over that way. Welcome to Florida. It rains every 6 minutes. Get this thing up, we'll beat the rain. It's starting to come this way. That's gonna be nasty. Woo! Boy, I tell you, boy, I need a sign that say slow your ass down. I'm a country boy from Dapper. Oh yeah, we got some stuff happening. Let's get this going. It's getting dark too, boy. I tell boy. Where I reside, so shawty understand it. And I know I just turned 18 and I get a little managed. Let's tighten it. Oh, it's coming. You see this bandana hanging, that means I'm like a bandit, like a bandit. I got paper. Look at this. Let me show y'all Florida. Let me show y'all Florida. You see how cloudy it is over there? Cloudy, cloudy, dark, dark. Look over there. Girl, the Lamborghini with the spider seats. You never seen it. Here you come. Here it comes, guys. Here it is. The moment of truth. Wait, I forgot a piece. Where's the piece at? Where's the piece? Alright. Wait, I gotta get this. Alright. We're here. Florida. Hurricane came. Just trying to get the piece on. Like so. I gotta keep the content going for you guys. Here it is. Moment of truth is here. And what you do, you just connect it. The water hose to here, to the nozzle. Like that. And it turns, it swivels. Left, right. Left, right. It comes out, guys. You can pull it. Like so. There it is. Hi. This has been another episode of Long Time Coming. I bring y'all real and uncut. This stuff isn't fake. I bring y'all true, real. We still had to get it up. We couldn't get it up. Look at my water. Look at the drainage. It's coming down how we want it. It's looking good. All right. Another episode of Long Time Coming. I'm your host, a wet B. Davis. The dogs are barking. The babies are crying. I gotta get in the house and change some clothes. Peace out.